Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, April 6th. Apologize for the late recording of this. Typically, I would do Monday's recording on Friday, but we ran into some technical issues which have been resolved. Now, let's talk about what's happening here with the Russell. What we're seeing here is some weakness on Friday. We had some numbers coming out that market wasn't too crazy about, but not surprising. The country's basically been shut down when we look for weaker numbers in the future. Right now, what do we look for this indice? I'm looking for an unchanged to slightly lower movement. I don't see any fundamental reason for a rally in that market, not at this point, anyways. But let's move on over to currencies. The Swissy is getting low enough to find some buying. Can they sustain a move to the upside? I have my doubts about that, but we want to be prepared for that. The bias actually is for higher prices. Now, when it comes to interest rates. I like the weakness that you're seeing here in the Treasury bond market. I do look for a down day on Monday, so unchanged to lower in that market. Copper, look at the red to green kind of candles. It's both buying and selling present. Makes sense. Look for the continuation of that kind of behavior. Again, fundamentally, there's no strong reason for a rally or a break. And I feel the same way about natural gas. Is this buying that we're seeing coming in, is it sustainable? I have my doubts, but it does imply further movement to the upside. Corn traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change here between the bearish and bullish levels in that market is $400 a contract. I'm looking for an inside to only slightly higher movement in that market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for sharing part of your day with me. Looking forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, stay well and take care.